And then in this little thing, I'm gonna put tahini. I don't know how much to put, but I put a little bit. Thank you so much for the mermaid and the 2026. I appreciate it. I honestly think I'm not gonna bring my yogurt today. I think I have too much right now. So we're gonna not do the yogurt. We're gonna cut a cucumber. 1 second. Cucumber. Part of me feels like I should do one more. I think I'm gonna do one more. Thank you. Oh God, I gotta hurry. I dropped it in the trash. I'm from Utah. A mess, you guys. I don't mind it. I'm trying to move, but it's not like I hate it out here. It's just more that I've been here my whole life, so I'm ready to get out. But I don't hate it. Definitely not. Okay. So, we got everything. I'm gonna put it in my boo bag. I'm gonna put it in the fridge while I get ready. And then we gotta put all this stuff away. I have to tell my sister I didn't have time to clean everything.